Good morning students. Today we are going to start with the maths 1 real number surds, under that binomial quadratic surd. So here one example we have taken, suppose root a plus root b multiply root a minus root b. So here a plus b multiply a minus b formula, that is a square minus b square formula. So root a, if root 2 times it is multiplied, the root will be removed. So a minus b. So a minus b is a rational number. Similarly, if we will take another example for this, suppose root 5 plus root 3 we have taken. So its conjugate pair we will take it. Conjugate pair means a plus b multiply a minus b. Okay. So if we are multiplying, so in this formula we will get, that is a square minus b square formula. So here root 5 whole square will be 5, root 3 whole square will be 3. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2. That means the product of two binomials. Okay. The product of two binomials is a rational number. We are getting the rational number in the answer. So what it is? Hence these are the conjugate pair of each other. So now we will start with the exercise 2.4. So first question is multiply. So let's take one example from this question. That is, first we will take it, the second bit. Okay. So that is root 5 minus root 7 multiply root 2. So similar way we will multiply how we are multiplying the other sums. So root 5 multiply root 2 minus root 7 multiply root 2. Okay. So here equals to root will be multiplied in one root we can write. So here root over 10 minus root 14. Therefore, what we will write? Therefore, root 5 multiply root 7 multiply root 2, that is equals to root 10 minus root 14. Now move to the second question, that is rationalize the denominator. So rationalize the denominator. We will take one example. Suppose the example first question we will do, that is suppose 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. Okay. So here denominator, what is the question? Rationalize the denominator. So we have to focus on the denominator. So here denominator is root 7 plus root 2. So its conjugate surd we have to take. Are you getting? So its conjugate surd. Its conjugate surd will be what here? Conjugate surd. So already we have discussed. So here it is given root 7 plus root 2. That means its conjugate surd will be root 7 minus root 2. Okay. So conjugate surd of root 7 plus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2. Is it clear? So here we will start. So we will start with, that is, therefore 1 upon root 7 plus root 2, that is equals to 1 multiply root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 plus root 2 multiply root 7 minus root 2. So whatever we will multiply in the numerator, same thing we have to multiply in the denominator. So here the conjugate pair will be multiplying. The reason for this will be what here? That is rationalizing the denominator. That is the reason behind this. So rationalizing the denominator, that you have to mention in your answer. So next step will be after that, that is equals to 1 multiply 7 root 7 minus 2 will be same, root 7 minus root 2 upon, here what we are getting? Root 7 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Which formula here using? We are using which formula? That is a minus b multiply a plus b equals to a square minus b square. This is the formula it has been used. So here root 7 minus root 2 upon 7 minus 2. Clear? So here root 7 minus root 2 upon 7 minus 2 will be 5. So root 7 minus root 2 upon 5. So the answer will be, therefore 1 upon root 7 plus root 2 equals to root 7 minus root 2 upon 5. Next bit, that is second bit of this, suppose 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Okay, so here 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So here the conjugate pair we have to first mention. So the conjugate of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is what? Its conjugate 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so now we will proceed. So same thing, we will have to multiply up and down, that is numerator and denominator we have to multiply. So here we will multiply the conjugate pair, numerator as well as the denominator with the given question, that is 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So here numerator and denominator, the conjugate pair, that is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So this is what? Rationalizing by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So next step will be 3 multiply 2 root 5 plus 3 multiply 3 root 2 upon 2 root 5 whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square. The formula here, what we have used here, same formula, that is a minus b multiply a plus b, that is equals to a square minus b square. So this formula has been used over here. So here next step will be 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 upon, here 2 2s are 4. So 4 multiply 5 minus 3 3s are 9. 9 multiply 2. So what we are getting? 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 upon 20 minus 18. Correct? Then the last step, that is 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 upon 20 minus 18, that is 2. So therefore the answer will be 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 equals to 6 root 5 plus 9 root 2 upon 2. Hope you must have understood this one. So this can be written like this, or we can extend this one, that is 6 root 5 upon 2 plus 9 root 2 upon 2, that is equals to 2 3s are, that means 3 root 5 plus 9 upon 2 root 2. This also can be written. So therefore 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 equals to 3 root 5 plus 9 upon 2 root 2.